Hey guys, time for another exciting ass vlog. And for those of you on my channel that only subscribe for the Let's Plays, don't worry, there's another one coming soon, and it involves pirates. So this time around I want to talk about an instrument that I learned how to play called the didgeridoo. It is a big, long, hollow tube. When I was a kid, I had, anytime a movie or a TV show that took place in Australia, you'd hear it in the background. It was like that really awesome sound, but they never showed you what instrument was making it or what person was making that sound. It was always in the background, never a person playing anything. After a while of typing in weird things on Google, like weird noise in Australian movies, weird Australian noise, weird Australian singing, eventually I came across the didgeridoo. And after a few years, I had my own debit card and I was able to buy one online. I decided to get the Meinl Black. It's decent for a starter. Has a pretty good sound to it, it's pretty durable. Which is good because I drop everything. Now when I first started out, I had looked online while I was waiting for it to be delivered. I looked online to figure out how the hell they were making that noise with just a hollow log, which is actually what didgeridoo translates to, a hollow log. And I was kind of surprised to know that it was really just doing this with your lips. Wow, I've never felt more stupid in my life. But yeah, it was just doing that and adding in some vocals if you can, and you know, other cool stuff like that. You get into more advanced stuff, it gets cool, like circular breathing. You keep on playing constantly. I'm not sure what I'm doing with my hands here, but that's a common problem when you're not used to being on camera. You don't know what to do with these. Jazz hands. So when it finally came, I knew how to play it. But I didn't know how to get the right sound. It always sounded weird. But after a while, I was able to actually get it. And now I think I'm able to play it pretty well. I mean, for a beginner with no formal training, anyway. Hopefully I'll find someone that can actually play these things, and hopefully they'll be able to help me out. And for those of you who have never heard of didgeridoo before, I'll end the video with a little bit of my playing. Remember to like, favorite, comment, subscribe, and share this video with people on Facebook, Tumblr, Twitter, whatever social networking site you're using that we only use because we hate talking to people in person because it is weird. At least that's why I use it. Hope you enjoyed!